Today I was using the tractor and the brush mower that goes with it, and today I did 2 hours worth of work. I know that because I was looking at the meter. Tells you how long you've been running the tractor, and I started out at 2.8 hours, and I ended at 4.8. Now you can see this is why I didn't go over this area. Look at them rocks. I think I'm just going to snip those things and be done with it, because I don't feel like just going over that with the tractor. Okay, and this little area over here, I don't know what they did, but you can see it's a perfect, like, square angles they have over here. It's like a rock field. Look at those rocks. Even the field over here doesn't have all of these rocks. So I don't know, maybe they stripped the topsoil or something and just left the rock. And I put a lot of grass seed here and nothing to show for it. All right, back to what I've accomplished today. Now this is starting to look like a yard and not like some kind of a forest. So I came through here. Some spots, obviously, you can see I missed. Or I didn't miss, I just didn't go through. But look what it was accomplished. It's starting to look like a yard. I couldn't walk through here before. It was like this. Even this is kind of tame compared to what it was like. You can see all these big pieces like this that weren't cut down by the mower, but the next time the mower comes through, it'll get rid of that. Okay, so you can see the high grass over here, and you see where I came through all the way back over here. And I know I didn't go in a straight pattern. What I was doing is I was circling and then making a circle smaller and smaller until the circle was gone. And that's what I was doing. And here's one of my circles that I haven't finished yet, with that big pile over there. But I can actually walk through this area, which is something I could not do before. Even down there, I could walk. Because here's another one of my circles that I didn't finish. That's because I got stuck in some of this little rock field over here with a divot, and got this tree stump. There's a lot of stumps around here, and I got stuck around here somewhere. Yeah, right over here. And for whatever reason, it got one of my wheels off the ground, and it was spinning, and I was like, oh no. But look at all these rocks. It's going to take a little while to get rid of some of these rocks. That's going to take some time. But I came all the way down this far, and you can see how far the house is from me. Here's another circle right over here that I didn't get to, or didn't finish rather. There's a big circle right over there. But you can see I'm able to come all the way back here. I even went down to my mud puddle. That's what I call it. Dee and I call it a mud puddle because it's not much of in the way of a pond, at least not yet anyway. Where is it? I got all the way back down here. I didn't come down this far, but I came down far enough where a little bit of coaxing I was able to get to my mud puddle. Now this is a spring-fed mud puddle. So I don't know how to fix it, but that's on the list. Obviously, we're gonna have to get through all of this. But for 2 hours, a lot was accomplished. As you see, I came through here and went out through there. So I'm gonna go back this way. But a lot was done. It's actually starting to look like a backyard.